To begin our journey of understanding water, let us consider how our body cells work together.
It's theoretically possible that we could create humans with other advantages that borrowed from other creatures.
That's right, but the humility of science right now is to appreciate how little we know about how you could even begin to go about that. That is the difference between 20th century and 21st century biology, is it's now our job in this century to figure out how the parts fit together.
When we look across the landscape of our DNA for the 30,000 genes that make up a human being, what do we see?
The genome is very lumpy.
Very
lumpy, very uneven. You might think if we have 30,000 genes, they're kind of distributed uniformly across the chromosomes. Not so. They're distributed like people are distributed in America. They're all bunched up in some places, and then you have vast plains that don't have a lot of people in them. It's like that with the genes. There are really gene-dense regions that might have 15 times the density of genes. Sort of New York City over here. And there are other regions that might go for 2 million letters, and there's not a gene to be found in there.
A baby's brain. Less than 1 pound of gelatinous tissue, and within its milky, convoluted folds, a universe of meaning. Emotions, ideas, memories, dreams, all will somehow find a home here, evolving and changing over a lifetime.
The ultimate machine and the ultimate source of everything. We understand the world the way we do because of the brains we have. We will understand the brain itself the way we will because of the brains we have.
The brain is the most complex thing on Earth. Even the brain of a baby is wildly. Billions of brain cells are not done forging links with billions of other brain cells. Eventually, there will be trillions and trillions of connections between cells, charged with electrical pulses, rippling like lightning storms across the hills and valleys of the brain's deeply furrowed tissue. Every cell in its place, every link between cells carefully organized. Nothing random, nothing arbitrary.
What we would really love to understand is how the brain during development generates millions and millions of neurons